常用英语短语 do homework, do homework 做作业 do housework, do housework 做家务 watch TV, watch TV 看电视 read books, read books 读书 cook the meals 做饭 water the flowers, water the flowers 浇花 sweep the floor, sweep the floor 扫地 clean the bedroom, clean the bedroom 打扫卧室 make the bed, make the bed 铺床 set the table, set the table 摆饭桌 wash the clothes 洗衣服 do the dishes, do the dishes 洗碟碗洗碗碟 use a computer, use a computer 使用计算机 do morning exercises 晨练 eat breakfast, eat breakfast 吃早饭 eat dinner, eat dinner 吃晚饭 go to school, go to school 去上学 have English class, have English class 上英语课 play sports, play sports 进行体育运动